Hello there YouTube, it's me again, the Arctic Piper, doing another Friday video. This Friday video is a Black Friday, Friday after Thanksgiving, and I thought I was going to smoke this blend after Thanksgiving dinner. I wasn't able to, the Holiday Spirit, but I did break it open. This is by McClellan's Holiday Spirit. Looks like their Christmas blend, but that's kind of what it looks like. To open it up, the tin note is definitely kind of a rum, the Cavendish pecan. Well, I mean, you know what it says here. It's a rum pecan cocoa kind of mix, but the rum and the pecans definitely show up in the tin note. So we'll light her up and see how it goes. I'm also having some black coffee. It's quite freezing outside. It snowed this morning. I'm on attempt to use matches in the wind. So wish me luck. Got initial light going. Got the second light going. Time to get the mittens on. It's a wind. The wind really gets you. But so far, definitely very pecan-y. Pecan flavors coming through. Kind of like a pecan pie with the rum coating. These hunting mittens are really great for pipe smoking because you have access to your fingers, and then you can cover them up. Gosh, it looks good. I think I have my pipe fully lit now. So my first reaction, definitely very aromatic-y. In the actual flavors, again, the pecan and the rum definitely do show up a lot more so than the cocoa. I'll say mostly the rum. Definitely a kind of a jolly blend, I guess I'd say. Very sweet. Very sweet. No tongue bite. Don't have an issue with tongue bite. Definitely reminds me of pecan pie. It tastes like you have a slice of pecan pie and you took a shot of rum and dumped it on top. I can definitely see this being a Christmas blend, so they're definitely marketing in the right area. Definitely very Christmassy flavored. So I was thinking just a bit ago before I decided to make this video. I was thinking about the old-timer pipe smokers. Talking about the old country bumpkins who've been smoking a pipe, for 70 years or something. One such fella, a couple summers back, I was in Missouri at a bluegrass festival. And I came across this old man, very old man, sitting there by the campfire smoking a pipe. And I said, hey, that's a mighty fine pipe you got there. He was smoking a Dr. Graybo. I was like, I smoke a pipe too. He's like, oh, that's just great. That's just great. And I asked him what he was smoking. He was smoking some Sir Walter Riley. And the Walter Riley, very classic pipe tobacco blend. Especially, again, for the old-timers. I see a lot of them. That's kind of like their go-to. And he says that he's been smoking that for years and years and years and years. That's about the only thing that he smokes. I said, huh? He says, I don't like it wet. And when I opened this tin up, it reminded me of him. Because as all of you know, that the aromatic blends tend to be very moist. And the Holy Spirit is no exception to that. Definitely very moist. Like, I was going to put it in a mason jar, but I decided not to, because I kind of want to let it dry out a bit. So, definitely a little more rum now. Definitely a little more rum. Anyways, back to the old man. He says he hates it wet. He likes it as dry as it can get. So he'll let it sit out for a very long time. And then he puts it in a bowl, and he puts the bowl of the pipe tobacco in the microwave for 30 seconds, 45 seconds, something like that. So he microwaves it before he puts it in his bowl, because he wants to make it super, super dry. Now, me personally, I've never tried that, nor would I want to. This is what this old man does on the fields of Missouri. Microwaving pipe tobacco. Making sure it's extra dry. Now, I wouldn't recommend it. Now, of course, I've never tried it either, so I'm in no way of saying that it's good or bad, but it wouldn't be really something I'd want to try. I thought it was rather fascinating, this elderly man putting his Sir Walter Riley in a bowl in the microwave, drying it out extra well. Huh. Well, how was everyone's Thanksgiving? I'd like to know. Mine was well. Went to a friend's house because my mom, who I live with, she's out visiting my brother in Idaho, so I was home alone, so I got invited to my friend's Thanksgiving dinner, which was good. Afterwards, I went to my sister's house and had dessert with her and her boyfriend. And beer. Fine beer. Yeah, so it was a jolly time, a good, festive Thanksgiving time. Now, I'm in the mindset now for Christmas, so that's why I opened this tin up. Holiday spirit. I like it. Definitely not an everyday smoke, but it's definitely a good treat. I have another tin of it, but it's the 2017, so I think what I'm going to do is save the 2017 tin for next year. when it's actually Christmas 2017. So it'll be cellared for a while. I still have two tins of the Christmas cheer. That's the non-aromatic holiday blend that I got from McClellan, and they're both 2016. I'll probably open up that tin in like a week or so. I'm still working on other non-aromatics and English blends and things like that, so I'll open up in a week. So that's what I've been up to. Kind of on my Thanksgiving break right now. Then start working on my final projects starting Monday for school, all the way till mid-December. So that's exciting. Well, again, I hope all of you had a great Thanksgiving with your friends and family, and thank you for watching. Bye.